We've got to do a few things today. Flooring has to go down in front of the kitchen, splashbacks have to happen, closing off of walls. I've got to finish plumbing. We've got a fair amount to do, and then all the painting starts, and the painting's not a quick process either. You know, speed-wise, we have increased from what we were on day one, but it's still not enough. You literally have to see people running around like they've got no head on, like a chook with no head. That's the sort of pace that needs to happen on these days to be able to fulfill and come out. We've committed to 48 hours. That's what I've always committed to, being able to finish a project within that 48. Now, if that means that I actually have to come in and do nighttime tonight and on tomorrow night as well to finish without anyone else here, that's what I'll do. You know, I don't commit anyone more to the 48 hours challenge than the actual 48 hours. For me, I made a promise, and to date have delivered every 48-hour challenge in time and within budget. So this one will be no different.
So flat packs, I do not love flat packs, but this was a real win because I was after 4 black bedside tables and thought I'd have to drive down to IKEA or somewhere to get them, and Aldi this week had them on special for $40. So big win, just went in and grabbed them. Pretty much got everything now, just waiting on one fridge. Should be nice when it's all finished.
So we're just coming towards the end of day 3. Today's been a pretty good day. We've made some good progress. There have been a few things that have held us up, a few things with the sink positioning and also the electrical again with the way the roof is. So we've just had a few things that had to get a bit creative, but everything's still moving along. The boys are about to finish up, so we're going to jump in and do some more painting tonight and start staging the rooms that are ready and they don't need to be touched anymore. So we are making really good progress. We will have still a fair bit of work to do tomorrow, but it'll all come together really quickly.
Second last day, and what we've done is we've put the doorway into that bathroom. We segregated those 2 bathrooms and fixed off the door so that it's now 2 separate bathrooms. I've put the toilet in as well, and the kitchenette has had some movement along the way as well. So around in the other side where we've created the second bathroom, we've now got cabinetry that's been cut down to fit in because the shower's now been put in place. The shower has been fitted off with the plumbing and ready to go. It's a little final touches around the place with the splashback and the rest of it as well. So downstairs, what we've done in this micro apartment is we've got the shower put in place. We've cut the sink back so that it fits. So now we've got a full working bathroom, which was used to be the laundry. We also have the shelves leveled off in the walk-in wardrobe. So in the other micro apartment where we moved the original large air conditioner to, the Sparky the electrician, took all day to get the power from one side of the building to the other. That's because we have no voids or ducts because it's got rake ceilings. We also made sure that the plumber, that we got some plumbing and bits and pieces into the other kitchenette. So tomorrow we've got quite a lot of work to do. All the little fit-offs of different bits and pieces. I haven't even started on the laundry yet. We also make sure that we get stuck into stuff, because what people don't realize is that the last 10% takes 50% of the time and 40% of the costs. So we are on budget and we're pretty close and working towards that, but tomorrow is a big day. So tune in tomorrow to make sure that we hit our deadline so that you can enjoy watching this conversion.